Ubobheka umuntu ofunda iBhayibheli othandazayo. Ukwabona ngilanga uthi uyathanda uyashumayela. Awucedanga ngesentence. Uthola umunye sekafaka igama. And le gama alifakayo igama obuzolifaka. Don't blame the person. He sticks with the word or she sticks with the word. And the person is identified with what you preach. Now, for example, now Abraham, Sarah, Watola, Umkwate is crying out for what you give in the person. Do you know what the begins a song in the school? And the begins again. And guess what? I realize in many cases I help them. Sometimes want to call you a lot night and with the Marunati. I did that with my pastor. And that thing was so good. Because of I being full the Bible, spoken word in the Bible. And he was used to me. And that thing, there's the men's and it ignited him. But I'm not running away alone. I'm running with that man. And he's giving. Did you know? There was a man that was preaching. I forgot his name. This man, Beglu Muyuba. Begatnaga Shumaya, teach him a kitchen for here. Abambeluba. Son. I will put it. A Shumaya, a kitchen. Abambeluba. Santo Limpegi. Up here. A kitchen. That sounds like a joke, but it's true. When they asked him, why did you do that? You know what he said? Uti, I was recharging. Every time I touched that man, something happened to me. Now, when you preach the word and somebody say amen with a genuine heart to carry on, you don't realize you actually recharge the minister behind the pulpit. When I say it shall be light, personality in the evening time. My mama Kama, we speak the same language. Can we close our eyes to be continued? Amen.